Ever wish your website would actually listen to you? That's what event handling is all about. Today, we'll explore how addEventListener works, the basics of mouse and keyboard events, what form events are for, and how to build a live character counter that updates every time you type. Let's jump in. First up, the big one. This is how you tell the browser, hey, when this thing happens, do that thing. You can listen for click when someone clicks a button, input when someone types something, submit when a form is sent, and key down or key up for keyboard actions. It's like giving your elements ears. Let's look at 5 of the most common event listeners you'll use all the time and what they do. The click event runs when a user clicks on something, like a button. The input event fires when a user types into a field. The submit event is used with forms, usually to prevent them from reloading the page. The keydown event runs when a key is pressed down. And the mouseover event triggers when the mouse hovers over an element. These 5 events alone are enough to make your web page feel alive. Here's a demo where you can play around and see all these effects working. One of the things you can see on the demo is a character counter. Let's see how we did that. Here's our HTML. Now the JavaScript. And just like that, instant feedback. Every time you type, the event fires and updates the count. Try it out. Your challenge: add a warning when the message goes over 100 characters. Hint: use an if statement inside the event listener. We just scratched the surface of what events can do. Buttons, forms, keystrokes, everything becomes interactive with just a few lines of code. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you in the next dimension.